Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we are going to install Flatpak and Snap support on Ubuntu really easily, right from the Ubuntu Software Center, and I'll show you how to do it. Here we are on our Ubuntu desktop. Now the first thing we're going to do is open the Ubuntu Software Center. Now we can go here. We can type Plasma. And then there, now it will come up. So we'll do Discover. And if we scroll down, we should see add-ons right here. And we got Flatpak backend and a Snap backend. You can just select both of those right there and then click install. Now what this will do, this will install an external app store. I know it's meant to run on KDE, but it will work on Ubuntu. I have tested it. So yeah, it will install the Flatpak backend, the Snap backend, and Discover will also use your default package manager, which in Ubuntu's case is apt. So we will be able to install any apt, Flatpak, or Snap application through KDE Discover. It's a really cool app. So I'll get back to you when it's done installing, and I'll show you how to use it. After you've got Discover installed, you're going to want to open Firefox, go to this link, I'll have it in the description of the video, and scroll all the way down to step 3, add the Flatpak repository. So we're going to select this command, copy, and we'll open our terminal using Control-Alt-T. Control-Alt-T is the terminal command. Now just paste, and there we go. So we'll close that out, and now it says we have to restart. So we'll close this out and we'll restart. Alright, now that we've rebooted, we'll go ahead and open Discover. Now we can type in Sonic, and hopefully Sonic Roboblast will come up. See? And we also got Sonic Roboblast cart. Now I know that this worked. I know that Flatpak is working because these are only Flatpaks. You can't find these on the Ubuntu Software Center. So I'm just going to go ahead and install it so I can play that game. And that is how you install Flatpak and Snap support and the graphical front end for both really easily. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below if you haven't already. ASAP used meme, Nolan, is back. He's starting his YouTube channel back up. If we can get him to 100 subscribers, him and I will do a gaming showdown. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.